right, so this F is flow. Go with the flow, flow. This is basically similar to presence, and this is just such a fundamental. We want to be sure that we're not living from a place of fight or flight, that we're not taking action in our daily lives from fight or flight, that we're not reacting, but we're responding to life as though life is happening for us and not to us. And so flow is living from this place of just being aware of what's going on the inside and being intentional and consistent to, just that, take that action, say that word, do that thing from this place of rest and digest, literally living in this state of flow.
Heart.
Living from the heart. And again, it's so tied in and connected to this place of union with the presence of God within me, that out of my innermost being will flow life, will flow life in finances, in family, in fun, in field, and in fitness. The motivation is not from a place of like manic or compulsive, reactionary responses, but from love and from flow. And then it's also, when you do miss it, I think when you are living or reacting from a place of fight or flight, that you're not hard on yourself, that you're quick to forgive yourself, you're quick to get back up again and just keep on moving. So stay tuned to learn more about the subject of flow and how it pertains to everything else that we're talking about. Anything else?